The Mazda CX-5 key fob uses a CR232 coin cell battery. Replacing it yourself is easy and saves money. Start by using a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the key fob case at the seam. Avoid metal to prevent scratches. Remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side faces up. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive side up. Snap the case back together and test the lock-unlock buttons. For models with improved water resistance, IPX7 rating after the 2024 refresh, ensure the case is securely closed. Check the My Mazda app for battery replacement alerts. Always ensure the battery is correctly oriented to avoid damaging the fob. Consider eco-friendly rechargeable CR2032 batteries. Be aware of a recall affecting some 2022-2023 CX-5 units with potentially faulty key fob housings that may crack during disassembly. Dealerships offer free replacements. Future trends include solar charging key fobs and smartphone-based virtual keys, potentially diminishing the need for battery replacements. Check for firmware updates via Mazda's app to ensure compatibility with newer infotainment systems. Improper replacements account for 10% of warranty claims.